Sometimes on WhatsApp, we make an audio call. But in between, if you think you want to change that audio call to a video call, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to change an audio call to a video call without disconnecting the call on WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact you want to call. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, above you can see the call button. Here, first I'm making an audio call. When you click on that, the audio call will be connected. Now the call is attended. But in between, if I think I want to make it a video call, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on that, here you can see the switch option. Click on switch. When you click on that, your camera will be turned on. So now it's a video call. And one more important thing is that now only my video is visible. If you want to see the other person's video also, what you need to do is, on their phone, they need to click on this video button. When they click on that, their camera will also be turned on. After that, now here you can see both videos are turned on. So this is a video call. So this way you can easily change an audio call to a video call on WhatsApp without disconnecting the call. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.